what I got from Happy Cake Shop just now. So it's already 4 o'clock and I haven't had my lunch yet. So I've been looking forward to having the cream cone. It's becoming very hard to get cream cones in Hong Kong. So many come here just for the cream cone. Apart from having the pastry from Happy Cake Shop for the very last time, I also get a receipt from them so that I can keep it in my collection.
Procrastinate when it comes to exploring Hong Kong. Shops are closing down at a much higher rate than you could imagine. Follow your checklist and start visiting them before they announce their closure. Once they go out of business, part of Hong Kong will be lost forever. They might not be the best cake shop or the best restaurant in town, but they are what make Hong Kong, Hong Kong. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Check out our Instagram for everything about Hong Kong and subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.